Autocross! That's right, it's another autocross video for you guys. And this is a special one because this will be coming out after the fact, but the autocross event is on Ashley's birthday. Make sure you throw a happy birthday in the comments below. She will really enjoy that. Also, this event is at a new location, which really excited about. We've ran it, or the club has ran it, the location once before last year, but we weren't able to go, and it was during rain, so I'm kind of glad that I didn't get to go. But this new location is going to be a lot bigger. I'll throw up a screenshot of the overlay of the old location with the new location, so it's going to be exciting. It's going to be a lot bigger. It's on an airfield, just like what we kind of been running, so it's still on concrete. I think there might actually be a mixture of concrete and asphalt, so I'll have to see once I get out there. But yeah, I'm excited to be able to have a bigger, it should be a bigger course, and maybe I'll be able to actually open the car up a lot more. So maybe we might be able to top out maybe 70 miles per hour or something like that. That'd be kind of cool. But we'll just see how it goes. The car is pretty much unchanged since the last event, so hopefully everything goes well. We're still getting used to the new power plant that's in there. The weather is looking really good. It's been really hot lately. Hopefully the GoPros, I figure out some kind of solution maybe to keep the GoPros from overheating. We'll see. Also, we'll bring some tire spray to keep the tires from overheating. So should be still a good hot day. So without further ado, let's get to the autocross videos. Okay, we're out here running. It is quite hot. And fourth heat. The course looks pretty fun. Looks pretty fast with a little bit of tight areas and stuff like that. So we'll see how that all goes. So about to start first runs. Number one throwaway run. I don't know, just like the last event, the rear end just came around and I had no control. Like normally, like if it starts sliding, if I let up, the car just hooks, and I don't know what's going on. So see what we can do in run number two. run. There we go. All right, 45.563. So start, I need to get down to the 42, 44s, and hopefully 43s is the plan.
All right, I'm about to start my third run. Technically my second, because I get a rerun at the end because timing and scoring was messed up on my last run, which was good because I think I hit a few cones. It did feel faster. I'm getting more comfortable with the course, so here we go.
better, I think. Let's see. Yep. 44.77 clean. From first place, I'm 2.5 seconds off.
course. I forgot about the slalom. Because the whole course is a slalom. That was a good run too. That was going so good. Last run to make something happen. So 43, like 3 is best one, like in my class, or in CAM-T. Overall in CAM class is like a 41 something. So we'll see what we do on this run. I guess that guy's off or dead. It might be dead. It's on the side. It might be dead.
I think it's dead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Terribly clean, but it was, or terribly good feeling, but it was clean. Let's see what the time. No, 45.6. No. Didn't get this. Wasn't on it today.
Alright, results time. So the autocross was at a new location, much larger. How do you like the course? Or the site, I guess, maybe, and then the course.
I liked that it was longer, that it had like a continuation, that I could read the course better. There weren't any overlapping spaces where I had to memorize like left, right on the first or second lap. So I really liked that. It was challenging. It was really good. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I like the course. The site is a little bit better than our normal site that we go to is still old concrete, but not quite as old and as crumbly, so that's good. The day overall was just really long.
Yeah, it was a long day.
There-
We had over 100 people.
Yeah, so this was the first event in many years that they've had 100 some people, so there was a lot of people to get through, and there was some timing issues and things like that. So it's kind of to be expected with a big event. And it was hot, but yeah, by the time that I ran, it was 7 hours since I had last walked the course. So to say that my memory of the course was a little rusty, so that's probably pretty obvious in my driving. Like, I was way off of cones, forgetting cones. So as I said in several of the videos, or several times, the car felt different, and after getting it back here and looking at things, I found that the front alignment was way out. So my camber side to side was not the same. One side was 2.5, one side was 3 negative, but my caster plates had moved all the way forward, so I no longer had max positive caster, which affects steering, bump steer, camber curve as the car is rolling and the suspension's moving. So that stuff can greatly change the dynamics of the car. I'm thinking about maybe trying to do a little bit of research on it and see, or a little bit of testing on it and actually see what things were, what like my bump steer was with how it's set up now, and or with it out of adjustment, just to kind of get some actual numbers. But on to the results for Ashley. She finished third in class, so that's pretty good. That's keeping her in the top of the standings, which is nice. And we're halfway through the season, so this was only event 4 for this club, and there's 8 total, at least 8 scheduled. So we still have 4 more events. And then for me, I did the worst that I've done in a long time. So we actually had 20 cars
In CAM.
in the provisional class. So a huge class. So it was really awesome. I finished 8th out of all those cars, so still pretty good, but it would have been nice to be up in the normal top 3 that I've been doing, but the car wasn't 100%, so that's kind of to be expected. But I'm still happy with the results. It still is a result. It'll still help for overall points, but need to get the suspension set back up and get the car back up on top to where it belongs. All right, well, thank you for watching the video, and we will see you guys at the next autocross.